here with Wyn Thomas, Aberystwyth assistant manager. In the end, it was defeat on penalties. Cool way to go out.
Yeah, very disappointing, but the lads done well, to be fair, for 120 minutes. We scored a goal in play, but the linesman didn't give it, which was disappointing, but there we are. No, it's a cruel way to go, but someone's got to go through, and good luck to Airbus in the semi-final.
You must be pleased with the overall performance of the game.
Yeah, I think we did enough to win it, but as the game went on and so on, there was a few penalty shouts, and the referee didn't do very well today, which I spoke to him about. But no, it was a disappointment to lose. We done well on the penalties up in Holywell, so the lads were full of confidence with the penalties. The 5 were chosen. We had all belief that they would put them in and Mike would save, because to be fair to him, he's saved a few penalties.
That brings me on to, with 5 minutes left, Airbus get a penalty with extra time. What went for your head? Was it, oh God? Or?
Yeah, it was disappointing, because I'm not sure he could do anything with the through ball. It was just his body shape and the ball hit him type of thing, you know. But like I said, Mike, he's a good penalty stopper, so it was a great save. He'd done a couple of good saves in the game, to be fair to him. But when we went 1-0 up with Craig Williams, his goal, I thought that was it. We shut up shop and we'd win a game. But it was disappointing to give a goal away. But there we are. We move on. We've got the league to concentrate on now. We're fighting for a second spot and that European spot, and the team that we've got there, we'll push them on, we'll drive them on, and the few games that we have got left, I'm hoping that we can win enough to get a European spot.
So you just said the distraction, the cup's now over, it's all eyes on second place to fight and get that second place.
Yeah, there's a few teams that are fighting for that second spot, so week in, week out now, we need the players to up their game and concentrate on what's in front of them, the team that we're playing against, and win the games.
Luke Sherman said in the week about just winning our home games, and any games that comes by, and Vest will take care of itself. Is that something you agree with?
Yeah. Welsh Prem is all about on the day. We've had a great season so far, but the hardest part's to come, and it's good to see, because we play against the best team, the best players week in, week out now, and we can see what players that can step up to the mark, and yeah, the boys are doing very well, and you know, it was disappointing today to lose in the cup, because the Welsh Cup is very important to a player. It's a big cup to be involved with. The Welsh Cup is massive. It's got a lot of history. One that some of us have been lucky enough to win, and it's a great achievement on the CV. But yeah, the league to concentrate on, the final push now, and like I said, hopefully we can win most of our games. They're all going to be tough now, because they're all good teams, and we'll go from there.
Tough game next week with Port Talbot coming to Park Avenue.
Yeah. I just heard now they've got a new backroom staff there. Good luck to them as management. They've been in the league before. They got a lot of experience. Port Talbot, very good team. Work hard for each other. Yes, it'll be difficult, but hopefully the lads can up the game and bring 3 points home.